You're welcome to with Burnys right here on YouTube. My name is Burnys. You can call me Burnys and you can call me Ira as well. I'm a YouTuber, I'm a student, I'm a graphics designer, and I'm a video editor. If you're new here, please subscribe. On this channel, we have interviews and we give news about science, technology, innovations, and talents. Chinese workers flee COVID lockdown at iPhone factory. Workers have broken out of Apple's largest iPhone assembly factory in China after a COVID outbreak forced staff to lock down at the workplace. A video shared online showed about 10 people jumping a fence outside the plant, owned by manufacturer Foxconn in the central city of Shenzhou. Chinese people and businesses are continuing to grapple with President Xi Jinping's rigid zero-COVID policy.
Above all else, and tenaciously pursue a dynamic zero-COVID policy in launching an all-out people's war to stop the spread of the virus.
It is not clear how many cases of COVID have been identified at the factory. However, in the last week, Shenzhou, the capital of China's Henan province, reported about 167 locally transmitted infections, up from about 97 the week before. The city of about 10 million people were partially locked down as a result, as China continues to use strict lockdown measures to deal with COVID. Foxconn, which acts as a supplier to US-based Apple, has hundreds of thousands of workers at the Shenzhou complex and has not provided an official count of how many are infected. The Taiwan-based company claimed on Sunday that it would not stop workers from leaving. However, in a footage shared on Chinese social media and by the BBC's China correspondent Stephen McDonnell, workers were allegedly filmed escaping from the grounds to begin lengthy walks back to their hometowns in a bid to avoid being caught on public transport. One 22-year-old worker, surnamed Xia, told the Financial Times it was total chaos in the dormitories. He and his colleagues were being kept in. "We jumped a plastic fence and a metal fence to get out of the campus," he added. Workers also claimed the area surrounding the plant had been locked down for days. The COVID-positive workers were being subjected to daily testing and quarantines to try to contain the outbreak. Last week on October 19th, Foxconn announced it was banning all dine-in catering at the Shenzhou plant and required workers to eat meals in their rooms. At the same time, the company told reporters it was maintaining normal production as the plant ramped up production of the latest iPhone 14 models. The government agreed to resume dine-in meals to improve the convenience and satisfaction of employees' lives. Foxconn said in a statement on Sunday. It added that for those wanting to return home, the plant is cooperating with the government to organize personnel and vehicles to provide a point-to-point orderly return service for employees from today. Under China's strict zero-COVID policy, cities are given powers to act swiftly to quell any outbreaks of the virus. This includes anything from full-scale lockdowns to regular testing and travel restrictions. Many had hoped President Xi would drop the legislation before the end of the year, but at the recent 20th Communist Party Congress, he made clear this was unlikely to happen anytime soon.